Hi Tracy, I think you're really gonna like your cape. So here it is. So it will lay nicely and be a nice little wrap for you for your special day. And then before you need to wear it, I sewed in this ribbon here so you can hardly tell. And what it's for is to place the comb so it will double as a veil. So all you do is just string the teeth onto this here ribbon and you gather it as much as you want it gathered. I'm just going to quickly do it just for this video, but you'll get the idea. Take your time with it, do a nice job, just takes a couple seconds, and then you'll be able to wear it as a veil for your wedding, so it will fit under your hair. So I can't wait for you to see it, and I hope you like it. Talk to you soon.